Hello, my name is Charlie Haffey and I am an elementary science teacher for the Newark Public Schools. And the title of today's show is Moon Phases. Moon Phases. Now I'm here at my home television studio, also known as my garage. And over there I have a very bright light and you can see the shadow of the camera and me on my garage door. And what I have with me is the item of interest for today's show. It's just a foam ball. You don't need a foam ball. You can use a ping pong ball, a golf ball, a tennis ball, a baseball, a softball. You get the idea. Anything that's round is to model the moon. Now I'm going to be the Earth and I'm going to be looking at the moon. And the sunlight will be shining on the moon, making half of the moon in daylight and half in nighttime. As the moon goes around or revolves or orbits around the Earth, we're going to be able to see the phases of the moon, the daytime, nighttime, from different angles. One of the most important things to know about this is that it takes about a month, or as I like to call it, about a month for the moon to go from one place in its orbit all the way around to the place where it started from. So from new moon to new moon, about a month. From full moon to the next full moon, about a month. From the first quarter moon to the previous first quarter moon would be about a month. So let me step back and I'm going to show you how I do this. Then I'm going to show you what it looks like from my point of view. Okay? So here, if I have the ball in my left hand, because we're going to go counterclockwise. And if you just move it to the left, that's going to be the way to go. So the moon is in your left hand. And if you don't know which way that is, if you look at your hands like this, there's an L on your left hand. So put the other hand down, hold the moon ball in your left hand, and you're just going to go around to the left. I'm going to go around one complete time. It's going to take about a month. Okay, so here's the new moon. Daytime is facing away. I'm looking at the nighttime side. And because I'm looking towards the sun, I would not be able to see this phase. So here's the new moon. And as I go around like this, I can see that the daytime side is starting to creep around. And when the moon looks like it's cut in half, it's gone 1/4 of the way around. That's why we call this the first quarter moon. And then keep going around like this. And now I can see the fully illuminated moon. All right, that's the full moon. And as it comes around here, we can see that the daytime side is starting to get smaller or less. When it's cut in half again, I call that the third quarter moon. And back here, we're back to the new moon. Only the nighttime side is facing me. Okay? Takes about a month. New, first quarter, full, third quarter. New, first quarter, full, third quarter. Okay, now I set it up. I'm going to show you what it looks like from my point of view. And this is what you should be seeing when you do it.